on, Daddy, don't be a pussy. That's gonna work.
Hey everyone, Josh here. This is my scrap tractor restoration. I picked up this old tractor. Man, it was old rusted and busted up. I managed to get the motor running. All that was wrong was the water pump was broken. So I thought I'd fix it up. I pulled all the panels off it. Started fixing the rust. And got ready for painting. There's the guards all rusty, all fixed. There's a piece I had to fully replace. It's just way too far gone to fix. Alright, here it is with the undercoat on it. Starting to get there. That piece turned out pretty good. Just getting ready for painting now. There we go. Now it's called a British Racing Green 2-pack. The bonnet come up good and yeah. Starting to come together now. Man, like, this thing's a beast. 4-wheel drive, 3-cylinder diesel. Only had about 600 hours on the dial. I started to get pretty excited now. Just needed to find a new seat, new water pump, new fuel ball, a few other little hoses and stuff, and that's all it needed. The motor runs beautiful now. Gave it a service and new filters, and there it is, all done. Pair of LED headlights in the grill. There's the kids on it. Yeah, I was pretty happy with the outcome. Well, I finally found a buyer for it. Said he'd give me $5,000. So here I am loading it up on the truck, take it up to him. It cost me about $1,000 in parts and paint. It's ready to sell.
Come on, Daddy, don't be a pussy.